Hey everybody, it's me. Sorry I can't be there in person, but hopefully we can get through day 2 of Google Docs with you today. Okay, we're going to go over some of the stuff we learned last week as a refresher, and then we're going to learn some new stuff today too. Okay, so the first thing that's going to happen is you're in Google Classroom. Okay, so it says today's agenda. We're going to click on the Google Docs icon. Remember, that's the blue one. Okay, then you're going to scroll down and find your project. We'll do that in just a second, and then we'll continue where we left off, watch this video, and we're going to learn some more stuff. I'm going to go ahead and post it so you're going to be able to see it now. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go to Google Docs. I'm on a different kind of computer, so I have to type it, but you just click on the blue link, the little blue icon down at the bottom. Now, if you see, you're going to have some here. Ours kind of looks a little like this. Hopefully we got it, and if you don't, remember that we can kind of walk through it, okay? So at the beginning, I changed my font back to normal. So if you've got words and you want to change the font, click and highlight it, okay? And then remember the different options. Up here is text color, so we can change the color. Mine's red now. You change the size. I'm going to change mine to 36. Perfect. And then up here, you can change the font. Now, one cool font thing that I want to show you today is right here. It says more fonts. Check this out. There's new fonts. New fonts that you don't have that I might already have, like Nanum Gothic and Quicksand. Let's see if there's any of them that I would like. Ooh, they're really weird words. Okay, but I'm going to add that one. So if I click it and there's a check mark, then I click OK, and then look, it's going to change mine automatically to that. But now it's too big, so I need to go back in and change my font size again. Okay, so one thing that we can do to make it stand out a little bit more is to click this right here. It's bold. Watch what happens. Boom, and it gets a little thicker. Okay, that's pretty cool. This one is called Italic. It turns everything sideways. Okay, I don't want that today. And this one is Underline. This one's pretty cool. I like that at the top of a title of a page. Okay, the other thing that you can do is click right here where it says highlight color, and you can change the highlight color. So that's just what's in the background. So look, see? So you can see it there. Remember, if you do something and you don't like it, go up to that undo button, boop, and it's all gone. Okay, so remember that last week we inserted pictures of a place that we'd like to go. Now, mine was a trampoline park, and I think some of you chose trampoline park too. But if your pictures aren't right next to each other, that means one of them might be too big. So remember, all we have to do to change the size is click on it, and it makes these little blue squares pop up. So from the corner, just click it, and then you can drag it to make it smaller. Okay, and what I did was I made mine a little bit bigger and a little bit smaller until they almost matched up. That's pretty good. I don't think I'm going to do much better than that. Okay, so then you want to click over at the end, over there, because then we're going to push enter. Remember the enter button? Okay, so we're going to add a couple of more things to our project. Now, the first one is going to be something that we do called inserting a table. Okay, it doesn't look like a table you normally think of. That's round and you sit on it, but it's a table like this. So you go to insert, which is where we added those pictures. If you remember, insert and then image, and then we search the web, and then we use the camera. Okay, this time we're going to do a table and then scroll over, and we're going to go 1 by 4. So look at that. So you can see there's now a table that's 4 in a row. So we're going to type Y. Okay, and the question is why you want to go to where you want to go. Okay, so why do I want to go to a trampoline park? Okay, so we're going to do that trick again that we did earlier to make it fatter, bigger, font, bold. So you're going to highlight, click bold. Okay, then you're going to click down below. Okay, so why do I want to go to a trampoline park? Good exercise, fun with friends, and because it's healthy. Okay, you don't have to capitalize. I just did on those two, and I'm going to go over here and capitalize this one. So after you're done, I want you to click down out of the table and then push enter one more time. And we're going to do one more fun thing today. Okay, so if you go up to the top and you go to insert again, remember we did insert image, insert drawing is next, right here. And then you're going to click new. This is fun. This is my favorite new thing that I found. Okay, so in drawing, it's like a blank piece of paper. So if you click right here, there's lines. If you click right here, there's shapes. If you click right here, there's a text box. So you could add words. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, but I'm not going to add words. If you want to delete something, you just click on the box and then you push backspace and it'll get rid of all of it. Okay, but what I want to do here is click line, this little arrow, arrow, and then I'm going to click line, and you can make a drawing with lines. If you don't like it, click undo. But what I want to do today, because it's pretty fun, is go all the way down to scribble. See that? And then what you can do is you can scribble. So you click, make your line, and then let go. And then you can do it a bunch of times. Click and hold, click and hold, click and hold. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is go to shapes, and then go to circles, so that I can make eyes. Shapes, circles, eyes. Then I'm going to go back to scribble, scribble. Oh, that's a big nose. And then I'm going to go and make a smiley face. Okay, so whenever you're done drawing your picture, you can make whatever you want. Okay, you can use these. These are like little things that you can put inside of there. If you don't want to just do scribble, or you can do a smiley face. Okay, but whenever you're done, you click save and close and check out what happens. It's going to put your scribble, and it probably will push it down to the next page because it's too big. So remember how we make stuff smaller? You click here, then you click on it to make the little blue squares pop up, and then in the corner, click and drag it, and you make it smaller. Okay, so today's lesson was to make sure that you have your title with your font and the color and size that you like. You have a picture of you and a picture of where you want to go. We inserted a table. Okay, you don't have to do bold, but it helps. Okay, it makes things look nice. Okay, 3 reasons why you want to do or go where you want to go. And then we did an insert a drawing. Okay, now if you have any problems with this, don't get upset because I'm not there to help. Okay, but I will be back soon. I miss you already. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.